Samsung is gearing up for the launch of the Galaxy S11 series early next year. But the three devices in the series aren't the only interesting phones Samsung is working on. We already know that the company is planning to launch a Galaxy S10 Lite, which was previously confirmed in an FCC listing. While rumors about the devices have been popping up since October this year, we recently learned more about its internal specifications. But the Galaxy S10 Lite isn't the only Lite phone that Samsung has in the works. The company is also expected to launch the Galaxy Note 10 Lite sometime soon, and we now have some key details about its specifications. According to a recent report from WinFuture, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite, model number SM-N770F, will be a slimmed-down version of the flagship Note 10 lineup, featuring the same S Pen and a slightly older Exynos 9810 SoC. The processor is coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Much like the Galaxy S10 Lite, the Note 10 Lite will feature a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 2400 by 1800 resolution and a pixel density of 398 ppi. The device will feature an in-display fingerprint scanner and a centered hole punch display for the selfie camera. In the camera department, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite will feature a 12MP f/1.7 sensor with dual-pixel autofocus along with a 12MP f/2.4 2x telephoto lens and a 12MP f/2.2 wide-angle lens camera. For selfies, the device will feature a 32MP f/2.0 shooter. The Galaxy Note 10 Lite will feature a USB Type-C port for charging and data syncing, along with a 3.5mm headphone jack. The device will be backed by a large 4500 mAh battery with support for 25-watt fast charging. Other features include Bluetooth 5.0, NFC support, dual-band Wi-Fi. The Galaxy Note 10 Lite will measure in at just 8.7mm thick and it will weigh 198 grams. Upon release, the device will run Samsung's One UI 2.0 based on Android 10 and will be available in 3 color variants. Samsung has reportedly priced the device at €609 and that's approximately $675, which makes it a compelling option for fans of the Note lineup who don't require top-of-the-line hardware. In comparison, the Galaxy S10 Lite will be priced at $755.98, which is probably because it features a more powerful Snapdragon 855 SoC and more capable camera setup. Both the devices are expected to launch in Europe early next year.